want us to do. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy STINO RWD. We got G's in the background. We got my G right here. We getting gas, big 93 and shit. Hopefully you fill it up and whatnot. I got my man's Corey. I really don't know the roller. And I got my man G37 Raw in the cut. So yeah, we out. They've been waiting on me for the past like 30 minutes. I'm not gonna lie to you. For real. Hopefully my car take everything for real and whatnot. And yeah. That's a bit. Yeah, Don, what's good, bro?
Yo, I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan. Yo, you remember you posted my painted G?
Your painted G?
Yeah, remember I was right here, bro. My shit was full of paint.
I think so. Yeah. Okay, that's you.
Me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what's up.
Then you recording right now?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh shit.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, y'all gonna be in here. Y'all gonna be in here. What's going on in here? Huh?
Make this the outro.
The outro. That's about. Damn, y'all gassing this bitch. What's good? That's good. We'll probably cut this out. Hey, y'all, they dragging. I don't know what this fed will want us to do. People saying don't run now. Alright, y'all. This night been low-key dead as shit. I'm not gonna lie. We was in the city, Baltimore City. Feds was on it. So I couldn't even record nothing, but we going out somewhere else right now. I don't know why the meet wasn't here to start with. But yeah, that's where we going right now. I'm trying to go in flame, man. I'm trying to pull over.
Alright, back up.
Shit. I gotta get that fucking dongle.
Go ahead, bro. I'm ready with you. Go.
We good. Flame Mac activated. I love how everybody waited for me.
Who are these people?
I don't know who they is. Federales. Oh, it's 2 of them. Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, it's 3 of them. Oh, they deep as shit. Damn. Yeah, they probably heard us from far as shit too. Random ass M3. Random ass M3. It's an M3. Oh, we MQ'd out with that fucking M3 motherfucker. I'm an eco map too, by the way. Barely pulling on me. Slow ass M3. The fuck? That boy better be glad I ain't got the SRT out on his dumb ass. And I'm in eco map, by the way. I am in eco map, but that was the random ass M3 just pulled up on me. Oh shit. So I'm definitely lower horsepower than usual, but I'm in eco map. It's not race map at all or flame map. No cap. But yeah, he was moving on me. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I know this video wasn't as lit as it should have been. Y'all probably enjoyed some of the clips that I put in here, but yeah, it's sorry. Ooh, excuse me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share it to a friend, hit that bell down below. Yeah, we out.
Big sub to Stino, but it's the guy right here. Sub to him, like,
Yes,
share, subscribe so we can get the money.
You come again.